Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll show how to install Tor browser in Ubuntu desktop using CLI mode using command line. So let's start, guys. Open your terminal. First of all, we want to open terminal and type the command. I'll type the command sudo apt-get install tor. Hit enter. Enter the sudo password, your root password. Now hit enter and now press yes. So files are downloading and processing, so let's wait. Now I clear the screen. Now we want to install the repository file, so I add the files with using this command. So I'll type the all commands in description, so you may copy and paste from the description. Now press enter and you may cancel, but we want to enter, so I'll enter. So it will take some time, and here guys, now repository files are installing. Now type the another command. So type the command sudo apt-get update command. Now all the files are updating because we add new repo. So now the final command sudo apt install tor browser minus launcher. This one is the final command, and hit enter. Now files are downloading, and you may choose the positive option, yes, always, but you may read the values and what they say. Read carefully if you are using CLI mode. So now files are downloaded. So now simply we need to search the Tor in search box. So I'll search it. Close the terminal and search the Tor. I'll open the Tor. So here guys, two browser, one is setting. I'll open the setting option. This is the Tor configuration tool for network. This is the Tor server. We may change, if we want to change the IP address, we will change, but right now we do not anything. Now again I search Tor, and now I open the Tor browser. So first of all we need to install the fully Tor browser, so it will update the latest download files, so it will download the all files. So now this is the same thing I'll explain in another video. Click on I button, you see there, this is the GUI mode. We simply configure the Tor browser with this method. So be careful, select the all options, which I do, and this is the final step. Now network status is loading right now. Now we are connect the Tor circuit in Tor world. So now browser is open. So first of all, do not maximize the Tor browser window, only same way. If it is open in small window, using the same way, do not maximize the Tor window. If you will maximize, it will give the message that time. So I'll open the google.com. And now I saw the circuit. You will see I click on Tor circuit, so you will see the IP address and our Tor connection. So here guys, Tor circuit sites, all the bridges are here. So thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe the channel.